two ways to hide private photos from gallery of Android device. So if you want to hide your private photos from your gallery on your Android device, then first you need to open up your files. So tap on files, application, and once you're here on the files, you need to simply go for internal storage under your storage devices, and then tap on any one of your picture or any one of your photo, or you can simply choose that from here under your recents. So go for the camera or anything and then choose a photo. So for example, if I choose this photo, once you've choose the photo, now go for the upper right which has that three dots icon, and then you need to simply tap on move to, and then tap on internal storage, and then tap on add a new folder, and simply give a name to the folder and tap on move to folder. And once you've moved, go back and then simply go for internal storage and then open up that folder, and here you will have that image, right? Simply tap and hold on to that image and then tap on the three dots which is on the upper right, and here you will have rename option. Tap on rename, and while renaming here, once you have your image, on the right side of your image you will have JPG, right? So you need to simply remove that, and you can also remove everything, and then you can name something like sunset. For example, I've chosen the sunset, and once you've given a new name, tap on OK, and here it says that rename file extension. So you need to simply change the extension of that file. So if you change the file extension, it might be difficult to find or use, so simply tap on rename. Once you've renamed, now if you tap on that file, it won't be opened. It will not allow you to open. So that's how you can hide your private photos from your gallery. Or there is another way. You can simply open up your Google Photos, and once you tap on Google Photos, go for the library which is on the bottom right. Once you've tapped on library, here you will have utilities option on the upper side. Tap on utilities and then scroll down, and here you will have logged folder on the bottom of your screen. Tap on logged folder and then enter your fingerprint or your PIN or your password, and then tap on turn backup if you want to backup, or if you don't want to, then tap on do not backup, and it will take you to the logged folder. So here tap on move items, and then you can choose a photo and tap on move which is on the upper right, and then again tap on move and allow. You have moved this particular photo to your logged folder. So now if someone tries to approach to this photo or this folder, then they will need to enter the PIN or the password. So that's how you can hide your private videos from gallery of Android device. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.